Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi QR code password scanner. First, understand that a Wi-Fi QR code is a two-dimensional barcode containing network credentials. It simplifies connecting to a network by eliminating manual password entry. This method is much faster and reduces errors, especially with long, complex passwords. You'll just need your smartphone's camera or a dedicated scanning app to get started in a few seconds. To generate your own Wi-Fi QR code, you'll need the network's name, also known as the SSID, and its password. You'll also specify the encryption type, usually WPA or WPA2. Many free online generators or apps can create this code for you in less than a minute. Once generated, you can print it out or display it digitally for guests to easily scan and connect. Scanning a Wi-Fi QR code is incredibly straightforward. Simply open your smartphone's camera app. Most modern phones have a built-in QR code reader. Alternatively, you can use a dedicated QR scanner application. Point your camera steadily at the QR code, ensuring it's well lit and fills a good portion of the screen. Your phone will then automatically detect the network details and prompt you to connect in just a few moments. For a smooth scanning experience, ensure the QR code is clear, well-printed, and free from glare or damage. If your phone isn't connecting, check that your camera has permission to access the internet or network settings. Sometimes, simply moving closer or adjusting the lighting can resolve issues. Keep your generated QR code in a secure yet accessible spot, perhaps laminated, for quick and easy future use by your guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.